Gel-filled cables should be cleaned with dry wipes. Using a clean wipe, repeat this procedure 3 times. If needed, a cable gel solvent may be used to clean residual cable gel from the ribbons. Recommended solvents include Hydrosol made by American Polywater and D-Gel made by PT Technologies. Separate the individual ribbons from the ribbon stack and wipe each individual ribbon several times to remove any remaining gel. When cleaning the individual ribbons, always apply uniform pressure. Be careful not to apply any lateral force to the ribbon. Do not bend the ribbon. Handle the ribbons with care, as excessive squeezing or twisting may cause the ribbons to split. Prior to installing the prepared ribbon fiber cable into a FOSC, a core tube plug must be inserted into each end of the cable. The core tube plug is formed by injecting a 1-inch long section of RTV 108 silicone sealant or B sealant into the core tube as shown. This sealant becomes tacky after about 30 minutes and reaches full cure in about 10 hours. The core tube plug serves 3 main purposes. 1. It will minimize fiber movement by coupling the ribbon fiber to the central core tube. 2. It will minimize the possible entry of water into the cable from the closure. And 3. It will prevent any filling compound from a gel-filled cable from flowing into the splice closure.